How to fix Instagram Notes music not showing. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix Instagram Notes music not showing. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Check for updates of Instagram. If there is any updates available, you have to update it. To check that, open Play Store or App Store depending upon your device and search for Instagram. If you see update button, select that and update it to the latest version. Now check for or clear the cache and cookies of Instagram. To do so, you have to long press on Instagram app and tap I button to access app info. Now choose storage uses. Select clear cache option. If you remember the login credentials, tap clear data and tap delete. Once you have done that, you need to launch Instagram app. Then tap this messenger icon at top right corner of the screen. Now tap notes at top left corner. And here you can easily find out the notes music option available. Tap on it and you can easily search for any music and add in your notes. So following this all the way, you can fix Instagram notes music not showing. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.